To create a text mask effect, first go to the Elements tab and select Frames. Scroll down to the Letters category and choose the letters you need, adding them to your page. Adjust the size and position of these letter frames. Next, drag and drop your images into the first 3 letter frames. Double-click inside each frame to adjust the image's position and scale to fit properly. Once set, download this composition as a PNG file from the Share menu. Now place your image onto your page, positioning it beneath the letter frames. Return to the Elements tab, search for a white background, and drag white photo elements into the remaining letter frames. Finally, bring your PNG image to the top layer. Crop it by dragging its edges to isolate and center the desired section of the design.